It's Friday, December 3rd, and welcome to Slow Home Studio.
My name is John Brown, and this is Matthew North, and we thought we would do something a little bit different this week because Matthew and I are actually in Barcelona at the moment.
It's always weird when you say that we're actually in Barcelona, but we're still here.
And what we're going to be doing tomorrow is presenting one of our recently completed projects through Housebrand, and we thought that we should put the project up on the site today with the plans and give everybody a chance to
do their work,
to do their version of it, and to see what it, see if they can come up with it.
And our only rule is no views of the toilet from the main space. You can do whatever you want, but just not allowed to have that, right?
So let's have a look at the project. It's a modest bungalow, sort of a split-level bungalow, because you go up a couple of steps here to get into the bedrooms, but basically a kind of bungalow.
Yeah.
It was interesting because it had a garage on the side and a breezeway there, which we're not really we didn't really have to deal with too much other than some external stuff.
Yeah.
But we're not really.
It's a really interesting lot because it's a corner lot, and so it had a really big front yard, and it had a narrow backyard. So
That's right.
The backyard, the deck became really critical.
Yeah, basically the backyard was there. Right?
Yeah.
It's almost a kind of side yard.
Yeah, almost a side yard, but it had the opportunity, it had actually a really great deck space that we were able to work with. And the styling of the house, we're going to see some pictures of it as well. The exterior styling was very 1960s modern. So when we saw the house, we loved it because we thought we were going to be able to do some really cool stuff with it.
Yeah, I'll just show you. That's actually the house there, so that you come up the steps there. This is that breezeway, and you can see how the bedroom level of the house is just slightly higher than the main living space, and that was to allow that lower living level down there. So let's go back to the floor plan, and what we really concentrated on was this bathroom and then trying to organize this space. And that's the challenge that you've got. And there's one great big elephant in the room, right in the center of the room actually, and that's the stair. Yeah. And that was a fix.
Yeah, we can't move this stair. And again, this was the type of project where this was a young client with a new baby, and they were coming in and they wanted to do a reno and do as much as they could, and then we had to make the money stretch over the whole project. And they also wanted to do a little bit of work on the outside, not a whole bunch, but a little bit. So with the parameters, we just sort of set out the idea of not doing too much to those 3 bedrooms because that would have been a big deal, and the bathroom we kind of left where it is, and then the rest of the space we kind of tweaked with.
So I think that's enough information for all of you to get started. You can find some of the before pictures on the site posted, and as well as the floor plans, and you can join us tomorrow and see what we've done. Thanks for watching.